Hello, Clear Bra, North Dallas. Just finishing up a full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus. The only way to go with a paint protection film. Full car, 2020 C8 Corvette, obviously, Stingray. And I'll just go over the overall of the car. There's the windshield done with XPEL 70. Windows are done in 30%, XR Plus. And the back, nothing going on back there, obviously. If you do the motor area, good luck to you. Your tint will probably bubble at some point or fall off. Anyway, moving forward here, coming in the full wing, the full bumper. The Stingray was removed and put back, so there's no lines. All the edges are wrapped. The edges are wrapped into here as well. Coming around, full. We'll get an overall here. Sorry, I just don't have a lot of room here. And then the top, what I like to do is wrap that entire top all the way around, just like I did in one of the previous videos with an orange one on a C7 actually, but this is the same type of top. No problems all the way around. Even this little camera thing gets wrapped all in one piece. Coming around all this here. But everything just looks great. Full doors, one piece, rockers full, all the shrouds there, all done in full. Fenders, hood, all wrapped in. And then coming into the hood here, all that, no notching, all wrapped in. Emblem removed, replaced back in the same position. Perfectly done. All the black and the blue on the front bumper is done. Every piece of that front bumper has been done. So there you go, 2020 C8 full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus. Any questions? ClearBraNorthDallas.com. Thank you.